Hey everyone! Today we are diving into a super cool feature of Qwenlm AI that can really level up your interaction. You might be wondering what even are artifacts in Qwenlm AI. Well, think of them as your personal memory bank for the model. Instead of just typing in a fresh prompts every time, Artifacts lets you upload files, save previous outputs, and even create the notes or make a game, all within Qwenlm AI. This becomes the artifacts you can usually reference in later conversation. They are fantastic for keeping content and building on previous interactions. Let's jump right, see how to use them. First things first, go to Qwenlm AI and this will take you to their homepage. Before starting, make sure that you have already logged into your account. And on your homepage, you can see an option for artifacts. Tap on it. Now you are in the artifact section. You will see options to create a new artifact. For example, you might want to upload a file, like a document you want the model to analyze. Let's try uploading the example text file. Here I do have a doc about a MetaMask. Tap on it. Open. And let's try to make a summary of this. So artifacts are super versatile. Think about them for summarizing the long documents like we did earlier and ask for the summary using as artifact reference. Or you can also use it for a translation. Upload a text in one language and ask to translate it referencing the artifact. And it can also help you to create the notes. And as I said earlier, we can also use it to make a game. That's it for today. Artifacts are a fantastic way to make your interaction smarter and more efficient. Experiment with it. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.